What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make rice water using black rice. I have been wanting to try this black rice water for the longest while, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So I finally went to the store and I bought some black rice, and I'm about to make some black rice water. So the first thing I'm going to do is my usual rinse off the rice. Here I am with a half a cup, and I'm using half a cup of black rice, and this rice will be feeding the chickens, so don't you worry, it's not getting wasted. So I'm just going to be rinsing off the rice in my water. So as you can see right now, I'm just, passing it around and rinsing off the rice with some water. And then I go ahead and I take the rinsed rice and I put it in my jar. This idea probably wasn't the best idea, so I later ended up just going to the sink, throwing out the water, and then taking the rice and putting it in the container. Okay, so here I am putting the rice in the jar still. This black rice is just rich in antioxidants. It's great for your overall body, overall health. So I will be cooking it. It's also called a forbidden rice. So I'm just going ahead and I am putting the rice in the jar, and then I'm going to let it sit in the jar for about 2 days before I use it. My plans for this rice water is I'm also going to be mixing it with some aloe vera before putting it in my hair. So stay tuned for that. That video is coming. I'm so lazy to wash my hair, but I have to wash my hair. So stay tuned for that video where I'll be using the black rice water mixed with aloe vera, and I know that's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned.